What if we told you that the mosquito buzzing in your room is not a mosquito, but a foreign spy drone watching your every move? You've heard of spy cameras, but have you ever heard of a drone so tiny that it looks like a mosquito but spies on you insolence from now on? When you try to kill a mosquito, just pause for a second. What if it's China's secret spy drone? Hello, and welcome to USA Pulse. Today's story will give you chills, because this is no science fiction. China has just unveiled a flying robot that looks like a mosquito, but it's a deadly spy. The Mosquito drone, China's terrifying new spy. China's National University of Defense Technology, NUDT, has developed a micro-drone, as small as 2 centimeters, that looks, flies, and moves like a real mosquito. But inside this insect-like body hides a high-definition camera, a powerful audio recorder, hair-thin legs for silent landing, transparent bug-like wings, wireless control via smartphone or military device. This is not a gadget. It's a revolution in surveillance warfare. How does this mosquito drone work? It silently enters indoor spaces, homes, offices, even meeting rooms. It perches on walls, ceilings, fans, or lights, completely undetectable. Once settled, it can record conversations, stream live footage, watch your laptop or phone screen, even collect facial data or voice patterns. And it does this without any sound, light, or vibration, nearly invisible to the human eye. Why is it so dangerous? Because it can't be seen, that it can't be heard. It can't be tracked by radar. And even if you spot and smash it, it may self-destruct, erasing all evidence. That's next-level espionage. Technical limitations for now. Battery lasts only 10 to 15 minutes. Very limited payload, can't carry much. Short range, mostly for indoor use. Weak against wind, noise, or extreme light. Still, for high-value spying, this is the perfect stealth weapon. What about other countries? The US and UK already use Black Hornet nano drones for tactical spying. Harvard is developing RoboBee, a medical and environmental microbot. But China's Mosquito drone is now the smallest, stealthiest spy tech on Earth. It's not just technology, it's a message. The future of war is silent. It flies. And it watches. Can it be used for biowarfare? Some experts say yes. In the future, these micro-drones could be weaponized to spray chemical or biological agents, deliver deadly microdoses, inject trackers, or even viruses. While this is speculative for now, the technology is already capable. Think about it. The next time you hear a mosquito, don't just swat it away, because the line between insect and intelligence tool has just disappeared. So now, when a mosquito lands on you, don't just kill it first, check if it's from China. Let us know in the comments. Do you think this is revolutionary tech or a terrifying weapon? And for more such shocking, mysterious, and futuristic updates, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to USA Pulse.